Kitchen Bath China 2026. Let's check this hall. There's a lot of international exhibitors. Another one. Every booth is huge here. Rocca. Look at the logo. Hui Da. So we can see the logo now. It's huge. So if you are a wealthy guy, I think you would like to have a good kitchen, a wonderful bathroom. Your life is very luxury, comfy. So that is why this fair came here, in order to bring the better life quality for us. GSI. What about that one? Let's go and see that one. We manage water. Ceramica. Ceramica. Hui Da. Look at that logo. BSO. BSO, remember it. They've got some facilities here. They are trying it. Sinks, kitchen sinks. Sinks. Yeah, very good. Is there any water? No water. Aqua. Ooh, Roach. From Europe, I think. W&M. Any shower. A good shower is very necessary in the scorching, sweltering summer. A cold shower is preferred. Since 2009. Okay guys, if you are into this video, please give me a like. STSR. STSR. FCR. ARTEX. PLZZ. PLZZ. Double Z. I'm trying my best to cover everyone. KWC. KWC. Okay guys, this is the end of the haul. That is the end of the haul. I hope you enjoy it. If you are into it, please give me a like. Your like matters so much. Ice Doom. Bye bye everyone. Ciao ciao.